Hi, we're in Ortigas and we're gonna ask some of the interns here. I'm here with
Joanna.
Joanna. And Joanna, what do you do for your internship?
Sa accounting department.
Accounting department. And I'm guessing your college degree is in accounting also.
Yes, accountancy.
And how is it so far? Do you enjoy it?
Yes, maraming natututunan. Maraming masaya experiences, meeting new friends. Ayan.
Got it. And do you commute here or do you travel?
Commute.
Got it. And is it every day?
Every day. Weekdays lang. Monday to Friday.
Alright. Anong oras ka po nagigising sa umaga and gano'ng kahaba yung biyahe mo?
6 a.m. Hindi, 5:45 ako nagigising. Yung biyahe ko from house to here na mga 1.5 hours.
Would you recommend your job or your current internship to anybody else?
Yes.
Why?
Why? Because the environment is healthy. Tapos, talagang ginaguide kami ng mga head namin, mga supervisors namin, and magagamit mo yung pinag-aralan mo doon sa job na ibibigay sa'yo. And yung job, hindi siya yung repetitive. Ano siya? Maraming bago. Maraming papagawa sa'yo.
So it's not, wala na ulit sa araw-araw?
Meron, pero parang part na siya. Pero may mga bago pa rin ibibigay sa'yo.
Got it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.